There are a couple of ways to check your Authenticator app. One would be aka.ms/mfa setup. Hit enter. It will ask you to log in with your credential. In my case, I'm already logged in, and it will bring me up to the info page of security or security info page. If you don't remember that aka.ms/mfa setup, once you logged in to office.com from your account, then go to view account. It will bring your my account page, and from here you could pick and choose security info, update info, or you could do it right from here. So I will click on that. Here you would see your existing phone number that's set up for SMS and your authenticator phone for SMS for your second factor authentication. You can change the default mode. Currently you can see my temporary phone number is set up as a default, though I have both my phone number and Authenticator app, but the phone is set up as a preferred default method. I will click on it to change it, and from here on the drop down, I will select Microsoft Authenticator notification and will hit confirm. So now I have changed from SMS to Microsoft 365 Authenticator app.